Chang Puak Camp. I'll go take a picture. So wait for a second. Over right. So I think we're going to go feed the elephants. I hear elephants. It's my first time being near an elephant. Oh my god.
Sama na yung ginakaon sa nak-hold this on.
Riding an elephant. Okay. I know we're like taller than the elephant, but like this is
I will
fun.
feed. I'm scared. Yeah, I take a video. I-video siya nag-feed sa akin. Okay. Yeah.
I was feeding the elephant a banana. Alright, elephants are smart. They know how to hold a banana.
Eat faster.
Thank you, madam.
Yeah, welcome. Eat faster.
Thank you, pa.
Bananas are better than us humans. You know what? Like, I just realized something. But like, elephants are better than us humans. They're not picky. They'll like eat a banana without peeling it.
Okay, this one. The basket. Okay.
This is actually kind of fun. I'm kind of forgetting that I'm riding an elephant right now.
Video it.
Yeah.
So riding on an elephant.
Open the dog poop.
This takes 1 hour.
1 hour to ride an
Ano,
elephant?
1 hour the whole package.
Oh, I thought 1 hour to ride an elephant.
Dili mo lako.
Oh, we're just throwing the bananas. Man, the elephant already ate all the bananas?
Yes.
Like, I know it
Faster.
makes sense.
Move there.
Okay, hand.
Hand.
Why? Oh,
Long water.
Safety. Okay.
Long water.
Okay.
oh.
Duot na nak.
Okay.
Because we'll go to the water nak. Nak. Ang imong kamera nak.
Oh, okay. Oh, no. I know elephants are used to this, but like, oh, no. No.
Okay.
We're gonna be like knee
Ang kamera
high.
nak.
Oh, no.
Okay. We'll go to the floating. Okay. So diri maglag mo sa Thailand. Oh. Nice nga. Maglag pud mo diri. Pero sa primero kay kulbaan mi kay syempre elephant ako kayo. Nya.
Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh. Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, he's splashy.
Okay.
Oh, he likes splashy. Oh, I think he likes splashy.
Kulbang pagkanaog.
Oh, he likes splashy.
Okay.
Oh, he likes splashy. Oh, he definitely liked the splashy.
Ang pagkanaog.
If you're an elephant, it won't be that scary.
Yeah.
Oh, the elephant's flapping his ears.
Photo.
I thought this would like be longer, but okay.
Okay.
We also get free alligator show. Oh no, this is gonna be worse. Mas cool ba ang saka?
Dili kayo. Dili ang kulba ang kanaog. Ang kanaog. Saka nami.
Okay.
Saka nami.
Oh
Ang kulba ang kanaog.
oh my
Mahulog
god.
ko niya ka sa
Oh my god. Okay, that's kind of scary. But the elephants are chill.
Yeah.
Elephants.
Magselfie
them.
na ka na. Manan.
Oh my god, it's like wiggly as hell.
Okay na. Stop na.
Oh.
Stop na.
Look at those elephants.
Come on, Matthew.
going with other people.
Okay. Okay.
Moving. I don't know where this show is going to take place. Okay.
Get inside.
Oh. Oh.
So, ang dumi dito.
Oh, okay.
Muna. Gabiyan nila mo. Ano ni gagawin mo? Sa taas.
It's the elephant enclosure.
Details mo naman.
Oh, so this is the crocodile show.
Okay. 11:30 po ang gunap.
So it's going to start 11:30. Oh. Yeah.
Zaman.
Di, mo-touch ko sa crocodile. Pwede mo touch. Touch crocodile. Touch sa crocodile na.
Zaman.
Oh, gakos po imam.
Look at him. He looks mad.
Dili man siya madnap. Dili siya madnap.
Ang hipon.
No.
Sure ka mag-stay still.
Stay
Oh,
still.
stay still na siya.
Stay still.
Isa po, nakakuan siya, nak. Nak, boys.
Yeah,
Oh, ana lang. Nak, down lang.
Your hand down.
Your hand down. Anak.
Put shoulder.
Okay, and then you hug.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, there hug.
Okay,
Oh,
one hand.
it's okay. Anak lang. Okay.
Little bit heavy. You strong
Like a
enough.
baby na.
12 kilogram.
12 kilogram.
Yes.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ.
Okay. Little bit this side. Okay,
side,
look
this
to
side.
Papa.
Pwede kaming duha?
Smile, not cry.
Dapat lang ka. Dapat lang ka.
Tawad ko? Sasing.
Dapat lang ka.
Go hand him over.
Wala naman yan.
Oh my God.
Uy, yun ka nagpiyong biya si
What have you
crocodile.
been feeding this guy?
Ngapin na lang ko, Tete.
Okay, dapat mo. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Sorry, grab mabuhay. Okay, tala na yun tayo.
Oh, there's elephants. Oh, you can take a picture of a tiger, and an elephant. Oh, you can shoot guns. There's a shooting range, so you can fire. You can fire a revolver, and you can fire a shotgun. It seems. Oh, there's a monkey and an alligator. So this is a zoo. Oh, you can fire guns, or you can pose with a gun. I never seen like. Okay, honestly, here's like my actual opinion. I think I've never seen I think I've never seen a zoo with like a firing range. It says like it's BB guns. So it's like BBs. It says it's like BBs. Okay, so they say it's BBs, but like I still never seen a zoo with a firing range. Like honestly. So I got more stuff. Oh, it's just the same thing. Oh, it's a BB. So a firing range. Oh, look at him, he's so cute. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he's I'm getting distracted. Yeah.
Bringing a cheer in the heart of Thailand, feeling so free. This is the place we want it to be. Hear the laughter, feel the sun. Every moment is a whole lot of fun. Feeding the giants, watching them play, chasing the worries of the world away. Matt's got a camera, catching the view. Darius smiling, Lynn's loving it too. A tropical breeze, a permanent groove. We've got the rhythm, we're ready to move. Oh, we're living it up at Chang Puak Camp, stamping our feet to a holiday stamp. Elephants walking, a beautiful sight. Everything's joyful, everything's bright. Yeah, Gwen and Matt and Derry are here, singing out loud, bringing the cheer in the heart of Thailand, feeling so free. This is the place we want it to be. Chang Puak memories, they're gonna last. The best vacation, having a blast. Gwen, Matt and Derry, hand in hand, the happiest crew in a magical land. Yeah, we're feeling so free at Chang Puak Camp, just you and me.